YouTube family, what is good? DevanOnDeck back here once again with another Instagram tips video for you. And this one is for the rookies, okay? The beginners. And when I say rookies, I'm not meaning you just got in the platform yesterday, a week ago. You could have been on here for 2 years, 3 years, and missed these 3 key things that I wish I would have known earlier when I first started my Instagram account. So I'm gonna give you those 3 things right after this intro. Welcome back to DevanOnTech, where I give you how-tos and creative talk. And as I said in this video, I'm giving you the 3 keys you need, the 3 things that every single rookie misses when they start Instagram. And if you don't nip these in the bud right now, you might carry them into your Instagram future, because I see people still making these mistakes. But I used to do them too, but I wish I knew them earlier. I wish I knew them much sooner. So I'm gonna give them to you right now. But first, if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, this is your first time here. My name is DevanOnDeck, like I said, and I first started on Instagram. You might know me for my really cool, innovative content that involves fashion, but I wouldn't have been able to get where I am today on Instagram, growing my account to where it is, if I didn't know the strategy. So here on this channel, I give you the content and I give you the strategy. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subbed to my channel, hit that bell icon and you get a notification every time I drop a video. Now, the first thing on this list you should never ever do on Instagram is post horizontally. Don't do that, all right? Now, it's perfect for YouTube because the screen is like a television. It's horizontal, left to right, right? And even on your phone, you can turn it sideways and watch a video full screen. But Instagram does not allow that. So all you have is your vertical phone to look at. So think about it. If you're scrolling on your phone and somebody posted horizontally, it's only gonna take up so much of the screen. But if you posted it square, or what I like to do is post 4x5, the tallest way possible, that it gives you more real estate on the screen. So if you want your post to be seen more, people that are following you and they're scrolling, it's more time for them to see your post as they scroll past it. So you're taking up more of their screen, you get more of their attention, more likely for them to stop, take a look at it, and engage with your content. Okay, now number 2 is a big one. You don't want to miss this, okay? Listen closely. One mistake a lot of people make is that when they first get on Instagram, they don't take time to really look and see what communities that they belong to or communities that they want to attract. And the only way to do that is to really take time to tap through, swipe, look up hashtags, and research a genre. Okay, so let's say I'm a dancer, all right? And I really want to look up and figure out what dancers are doing on Instagram, what kind of content are they making that's working for them, what's helping them grow their pages. So the first thing I would do is search the hashtag dancer and look at the top 1, the top 9 that Instagram gives you, the top posts, and just look through there. Once you look through there, you're going to be able to see a lot of other accounts that are doing great, and you can kind of just pick up on what kind of content they're posting, how their captions are, what songs they're dancing to. And then the even deeper thing you can do to kind of go down a rabbit hole a little more, hit that little arrow next to their name, and Instagram will populate a list of related pages. You can do the same thing with each one of those pages. So as you can see, that's a lot of people to look through, a lot of things you can find and search on. You can do research and just kind of see what you should be doing for yourself if it's working for others. Okay, so last but not least, a big mistake a lot of beginners, a lot of rookies make on Instagram is being discouraged by their follower count. And I totally get it, right? You've done all this research, you're looking at all these different people that are making dope content, you're seeing what's working for them, but maybe you just don't have the skill set yet. Maybe you don't have a camera, maybe you just have your phone. You want to do fashion, but you don't have money to buy a whole bunch of clothes. I've been there. In a lot of ways, I am there. I was you a year ago. But if I let that discourage me, I wouldn't be here today. So I'll give you an example. I'll use me because I know myself the best. I want to say about 1.5 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, I noticed that Instagram was pushing video hard. Looking at the Explore page, I started seeing more and more video content. And I also noticed that no other guys in fashion were making video. So I started making fashion videos. Now at the time, I did not know how to make video. All I knew how to do was take photos, and that was it. My imagination was there, I had the vision for it, but I had no skill set. So what did I do? Luckily had a friend who was really good with After Effects, and I gave him the concept, took the imagery, but I didn't know how to edit it, and he actually edited a couple videos for me. And that held me over and kind of scratched that itch a little bit until I can learn. And as y'all saw, if you go back far enough in my account, my videos started off being really simple, and then eventually I grew into more complicated videos. Now, you know, coming on my 2nd year being the pioneer in video, I'm the #1 guy in fashion that does video, period. But if I was so discouraged by my follower count then, I think I only had like 20K or 15K back then, I would have been so discouraged that I wouldn't have been able to open up the door for me to be now at like 170K followers. You get what I'm saying? So don't be discouraged, observe, believe in yourself, and continue to watch videos like these. Like, I make tons of videos personally. My Instagram secrets, if you want to build your brand, how to edit your photos better. I have an entire playlist for you if you want to tap it. I'm gonna have a slide out right here for you. Tap that, you'll see a whole bunch of tools you can use in there to better yourself on Instagram stories and everything else. There's a lot to learn, but you gotta take your time to learn it. Don't get discouraged, and stop posting horizontally, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please give your guy a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. The more thumbs up you give me, the more people will see this and be put on the game. You just got put on right now. If you have any requests, anything you want to make, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you for your time as always, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.